Hi, Victoria.
Sabi si Victoria.
Hi, Victoria.
Oh, Del.
Nagsaing. We have so many rice.
Hold on. Where's the tripod?
I put it in there.
No, mas maganda. Broken.
No, there's no time, Kuya.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Ang dami kong hawak ko.
Andali, let's go. Bella. Okay, guys, look. Butchard Garden. Look at the ladies with the umbrella. Hmm? Look at this tulip, so pretty. We have to go around and around. Guys, look here, look here. Hello.
We're in Victoria.
Last time we went, Kuya, there's no flowers.
Walang flowers.
Yeah. You.
Yay.
It's perfect. It's beautiful, Victoria. Yeah, look at that. Tulips. Yellow. Taga-Toronto!
Alam niyo na yun, tagaluto ng turon ito. Taga-Toronto.
That's when we started our YouTube channel. This is Sunken Garden.
Basura na merong halaman. Nakakita naman ng basura na
Ayan.
merong halaman. Merong bulaklak.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This is it. Pasok ka dyan.
Pasok kayo dyan sa Sunken Garden.
No, kasi gusto ko lang crossbody.
But magnolias will pretty much grow. I mean, they'll grow as north as like.
Is that magnolia? Oh, look at this. Look at
Dadali
that.
ko sana yung aking window. Sabi ni John. Sila ko naman ako kasi naka-ano ko. Ilalim na ito. Hindi ako nagsabihin.
Sabi ko sa'yo, magdala ka eh. Ang ganda, no? So pretty.
Ito yung daffodil na ay tulip. Sorry.
Different kind of tulips. So look at this.
Gusto ko yung nakuha ko na mag-ganyan.
Yun na nga ang gusto ko. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Timor, look. Ganda.
Uy, ito ang magandang background. Ito ang magandang background dito.
Ka na ulit?
Hindi public. Ako ano rin, in-upload kang para souvenir eh.
Yeah, souvenir.
Tumanda ka, nakarating ka rito.
No, kaya pinipremiere ko pa rin. Bayaan mo na. I don't care. But it's better kasi you have a souvenir. Beautiful. White tulips. It's the washroom. Ilabas mo yung buko.
Kaya nga.
Picture ka, picture. Picture doon ka, balik ka doon.
Oh, kuya!
Dali. Picture.
This is... What is this? Orange and yellow? Yeah, orange. Ang ganda, ano? Oh,
Daming tulips, no?
iba-ibang kulay.
Pwede siguro yung gulayin niya, no? Tuwin.
Siguro.
Gigisa.
Ito, paano mo yan?
Kuya, look.
Meron pang carousel, oh.
Kuya, look.
Hey!
Yay! Taga Toronto is here.
Taga Toronto. Tagaluto ng turon ito. Alam niyo na yun. Taga Toronto.
Yee! Look at that. Ayan ah. Yee!
Mama, liga. Gumano ka dito. Dito na ganun.
Pare-pareho na lang.
Puro tulips eh.
Okay guys, we're here at the Japanese garden area. Okay. Let's see what we can find here. Oh, and then we are gonna go to Dragon what? Dungeon? Sanction. Oh, this is the one that we have picture.
One more. Sorry about that.
This one is what do you call this color? Maroon? Puno na to. Laki ano? Laki. Video ya. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Ang ano niya no?
Buhay ba yan o patay?
Te.
Yeah.
Ate Judy, go. I got no. Oh, video yan.
Pakita mo sa amin ang aming Lotto tonight. Mananalo kami ng Lotto tonight.
Ayan.
Judy, hindi ka kasali doon. Here now. Oh.
Dragon, metal dragon.
Oh, half day? So nice.
Tignan mo yung tubig malinis. Kaya.
Tapos mukha ko. Date ngayon?
20.
May 10, 2025.
Wala na.
Mauubos na yan. Really? You take up video on the back?
Line.
No. Okay. Stop. Let's go. Hey guys, we're almost done. We didn't even go to the other side. Okay, Daryl, family picture. Art. Who are these people? Are they the owner of this thing?
Yeah, there's like a mansion.
Oh, wow.
1954. 1954.
Okay, this is the gift shop. Spanish, English, Punjabi. Oh my God, this is beautiful. The gift seeds and gift. Oh, they're selling it. The seeds, Kuya.
Huh?
They're selling the seeds.
Seeds and
Oh, let's go there. Let's go.
seeds and gifts of anyone plants.
Noon yun, Ate Judy. Oh wow, what's this? We're exiting here. We just finished Butcha Garden today. We had a great time. So now we are on our way to pick up Atina, my sister. And yeah, she worked today for 4 hours. And yeah, it's Saturday today. So stay tuned, guys, for the rest of our trip. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.